Oil leakage was observed from the oil-type transformer radiator flange during normal operating conditions.
Leak occurred because seal failed, gasket aged from thermal cycling, inspection was missed, and preventive maintenance SOP was incomplete.
Root cause is an incomplete preventive maintenance SOP. Corrective action is scheduled inspection and timely replacement of aging components.
High oil temperature was observed. It occurred due to transformer overloading, caused by additional load connector.
High oil temperature occurred because the transformer was overloaded. Overloading happened due to additional electrical load.
Capacity was not reviewed due to absence of load monitoring. Load monitoring was missing because no load management procedure existed.
Conduct a detailed load audit. Install continuous load monitoring. Ensure transformer loading remains within rated capacity.
Buchholz relay alarm was observed in the oil-type transformer, indicating internal abnormal conditions and gas accumulation during normal operation.
The bus alarm occurred due to gas accumulation. Gas formed because of internal overheating. Overheating developed from localized arcing inside the winding.
Arcing occurred due to a loose internal connection. The connection loosened from fault current stress. Root cause is inadequate protection coordination and condition monitoring.
Tighten internal connections during shutdown. Review protection coordination settings. Implement periodic condition monitoring to detect faults early.
Excessive humming noise was observed from the oil-type transformer during normal operation, indicating abnormal vibration inside the transformer core.
The humming noise occurred due to increased core vibration. Vibration increased because core clamping weakened. Clamping weakened from repeated thermal expansion.
Weak clamping was not detected due to missing vibration inspection. Inspection was missing because condition monitoring. Secure and retighten transformer core clamping. Perform vibration inspection during shutdowns. Implement condition-based monitoring to identify looseness early.